Hi again boys, this is week 2 maths lesson 2. We're going to start off with a quick recall of our number bonds again. So you're going to need this sheet again to fill in try 1, try 2, try 3, and remember the extra challenge is to find your grand total for the day. Today I want you to hit the button again, number bonds, but we're going to use the make 10 game. So 2 and what makes 10? 0 and what makes 10? Etc. If you want to stretch yourself, try going up to 20. So 13 and what makes 20? Have fun! Right, now you're all warmed up, let's move on to really cracking that place value. And we're going to use the bead string tool that you've seen in class on the interactive whiteboard. Remember the beads are in sets of 10, so if you have a look at these and try and work out how many beads we've got here, we've got 10, 20 and then 1, 2, 3. So how many is that all together? So we would write the 2 first to show the 2 10s and then the 3 to show the 3 1s or the 3 units, making 23 all together. So just to prove to you, we've got 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. 20 and 3 is 23. Next one. Okay, I've made the next one a bit harder. I've removed the numbers. Let's see if we can count how many beads we've got now. We've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. So how many have we got this time? So we write the 5 first for the 5 10s and then the 7 for the 7 ones, making sure you write your numbers the right way around, please. The answer is 57. How many can you see now, boys? Counting 10s, then add on the single ones. Hopefully you can go 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, which means 4 10s and 5 ones. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10s and 1 on its own. 61. 6 10s and the 1 on its own. Last one. How many have we got here? Well, we've got 1, 2, 3 10s and then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. We put the 3 first for the 10s and the 4 for the single units. 34. Check. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay, you should now be able to do this sheet from your pack. It's just the same as what we've been doing on the video. Count your 10s and your singles. Write down the total and then show me how that number's made up. And don't forget to fill in the answer here. Okay, when you've done that, for a bit of fun, you'll need a partner to play this rocket game, which is also in your pack, along with the instructions on how to play. Did you win? Next you need to go to the Google Emergency Work folder and find the PowerPoint, the Magician partitioning 10s and 1s. Remember, partitioning is just a posh word, a grown-up word for splitting numbers into 10s and units. So if we've got the number 37 and we partition it, or cut the lady in half, What does a 3 mean? What does a 7 mean? 30 and 7. Work your way through that and see if you can say the answers before you split the lady. A little bit more to keep you going if you like. You can have a more practice on the rocket sheet, which is in your pack. Partition the numbers, and then if you turn over, you can have a go at combining the tens with the units. 5 today. If you want to give yourselves a real challenge, you can start to work with 3-digit numbers. What does this number mean? How is it made up? What does a 6 stand for? What does a 4 mean? What does a 3 mean? It's 643, so it's made up of 600s. Oh, you can see Jake asleep. You've got 4 tens, which is 40, and a 3 units. What's this number and how is it made up? Let's partition it. The 2 means 200. The 9 is 9 tens, which is 90. And the 7 is your 7 units. What's this number? 861. Your 8 means 800s. Your 6 is your 6 tens, 60, and your 1 is a 1 on its own. To keep you busy, if you're happy with your 3-digit numbers, have a go at the train sheet, and then the really tricky sheet is this one. Both of them are in your pack. You don't have to do these, it's just for a bit of fun.